Hi, my name is Nancy Charlebois, and I teach prenatal water aerobics at the Portland branch of the YMCA. And today I'm here to talk to you about modifications of planks. So sometimes during a plank, if you have an injury or you're just not up to a full plank, there are different options you have to do a modification and see what feels right for you. So we'll start with full plank and move down in gradation of difficulty until you find the one that's right for you. So just to show, standard full plank, hands underneath shoulders, stepping your feet back in a nice straight line. For a lot of people that's a big challenge. It's hard on their wrists or their ankles or shoulders. So options here to drop the knees, maintaining keeping those abdominals pulled in. But one of my favorite variations is going into a low plank. Elbows are down, and you're here in your nice straight line. And in order to engage those abdominals a little bit more, imagine you're pulling your elbows back towards your toes. That's a really great way to get the most out of your plank. So if that's still too difficult, your next option is to be in that low plank position and put one knee down or both knees down. So you can still drop your hips, pull those elbows back and keep your abdominals engaged. And then you can start to play with lifting and lowering your knees to increase the challenge and difficulty. If that's still hard, my favorite option is hands and knees are under shoulders and hips. You tuck your toes, pull in those lower abdominals, and lift your knees just an inch or two off your mat. And you can lower down slowly. Lift off the mat and lower down slowly. So that's a really nice option to work into getting into a low plank and maybe eventually a high plank. Have a great day.